And the bear snores on. Stop, Luke! You're gonna rip the book! No. He grumbles and he wiggles and he slumbles. But the bear snores on. Stop. The mouse sneaks in from the cold winter. He brews fire, he brews hot tea, then something suddenly pops inside the cave. Hop. He brews tea, he makes everything he needs to be. So he makes it. Soon, a bunny comes in from the pool. They brew hot tea, and they pop corn. So they brew hot tea, but the bear snores on. Someone sneaks in with a bowl of things. He sneaks up and had a big time. They crunch and they eat and they crunch and they pounce. Crunch and eat and some more come in and they all gather around. What do you think they're going to do? They dance and play, they snore, but the bear snores on. They dance until it makes the bear achoo! But then something appears. He grumbles and he stomps and he growls and he thumps. He thumps and he stomps. He does a growl. He cries and he mumbles and he groans. The mouse said, "Don't whine, fuss, or cry. We can brew more hot tea and soup and popcorn." And they eat. Up. They eat and it. But his friends snore on. That's the end. Yep, there's a bear's cave in the whole winter. And those are everyone's footprints. So they've been living that way.